student, in your big data. Next topic is top challenges facing in big data. This topic is top challenges facing big data. In your greatest challenges, we can have 7 types, and in your top challenges we can facing this one also we can have 7 types of top challenges we can facing in a big data. First one is scale. First top challenges facing in a big data, first one is a scale. Second one is security. And third one is schema. Fourth one is continuous availability. And fifth one is consistency. And sixth one is partition tolerant. And last one is data quality. These 7 top challenges we can facing in a big data. First one is the scale, second one is the security, third one is schema, fourth one is continuous availability, fifth one is consistency, sixth one is partition tolerant, and last one is data quality. What is scale? Scale means we can storage means we can use the relational database management system we can use to, or NoSQL information we can use to store the information, or we can address to handle the need of scaling, or rapidly or elastically we can use the data. What we can on site we can use the large volume, velocity and variety of big data we can use in a scaling. Volume, velocity and variety of information we can store in a data. It is the storage purpose we can use scaling. In your scaling we can use the RDBMS or NoSQL information we can store this one. Then security. What is security? Security, most of the NoSQL big data is the platform have a poor security mechanism. Why? Because it's lack of unauthentication or unauthorization mechanism. When it comes a safeguard as a safeguarding the big data, a specify cannot be ignored. This big data carries the credit card information or personal information or sensitive data. Everything we can send the information to the cloud. So this one is the security wise, this one is the poor security mechanism we can use in a big data. Most of the NoSQL in a big data platform we can have a poor security mechanism. Or why this one is the poor security mechanism we can use means we can, what are the information we can share or lock of information to the data. That one is the authentication or authorization mechanism is poor. It means we can share sometimes we can share the credit card information or personal information or sensitive data we can share with the cloud, or data we can share with the database. So this one is the poor security mechanism. Next one is the schema. It means rigid schema have no place. We want to technology able to fit in a big data. it means we can need to our dynamical schema, predefined schema, or statical schema or dynamical schema we can use. We can use the static, constant schema or dynamical schema. Multiple schema we can, both the schema we can use in a big data. Continuous availability. What are the continuous availability we have? It will be supported the 24/7 support. This one support the 24/7. It will be support RDBMS and the NoSQL. It continuously availability 24/7. It was support the RDBMS and the NoSQL. This one is the continuous availability. What is consistency? Consistency means we can we should want to consistent. We can maintain the inactual consistency or information we can manage. That one we can call it as a consistency. Next, last one, sixth one is partition tolerant. Partition tolerant means we can find the partition tolerant. It means what are the information we can tolerate. We can take care of the both the hardware and the software failures. We can maintain or we can tolerate the partition. Partition tolerant means we can take care of software and the hardware. Take care of software and the hardware. What is data quality? Data quality, it is how to maintain the data quality. It is data accuracy, completeness and the timelines. It is do appropriate metadata in places. That one we can call it as a data quality. Data quality means we can facing the challenges is data accuracy and completeness and timelines. These challenges we can face in the big data. This one is the top challenges facing in the big data. Which one? Scale, security, schema, continuous availability, consistency, partition tolerant, data quality. Scale means we can use the variety, volume and the velocity of information we can store in the RDBMS and the NoSQL. Security means we can use the authentication and authorization mechanism. This one is the poor security. Mechanism schema means we can use the static data and dynamic data. Both schema we can use. Static means it is a single, or dynamic means multiple schemas we can use to assign the information. Continuous availability means it will be support the 24/7. We can got the information or we can send the information to the RDBMS and the NoSQL. Consistency, it means it support or it should be maintain the consistency of the data or information. Partition and tolerant means we can take care of the hardware and the software. That one is the partition of tolerant, or we can partition the information of software and the hardware. Data quality, it means we can use the data accuracy and completeness and timelines to appropriate metadata we can place in a big data. That one is the data quality. Thank you.